So you're looking for that needle in the haystack, that property that nobody knows about, that hasn't even come to market, and you're going to be the one person that's going to get it. Well, those are kind of hard to come by. And I'll just tell you a quick story. One of my clients, developer client, who lost out on a property about 30 days ago. And they told me they have a property that's coming on the market soon. So nobody knew about it. It was in the right location, exactly the property we were looking for. Long story short, we're in contract that same day. So 30 days later, we're standing outside, going to be passing the keys. And the construction project, is starting in about a week. All right, guys, just remember, this is a project. This property needs to have everything done. Let's go. Oh yeah, one more thing. One thing to keep in mind is that this neighborhood, Glen Park, can support some property values between $3 to $5 million for a complete and done project. So this is a gold mine.